Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this short demo, we will discuss and show you how SigniFlow can assist your business in streamlining and digitizing internal approval and sign-off processes using the built-in digital forms function. This function was built to eliminate paper processes and reduce the amount of PDF documents and PDF forms sent between coworkers to get approval and sign-off for various daily tasks and processes. Navigate to the left menu and select Forms. Form admins will see the Forms Manager, where they can edit and delete forms, and Form Builder, where they can build new forms and publish these forms to business users. Open the Forms tab to open your forms. Let us use a simple leave application process as a sample. An employee wants his manager to approve emergency leave so he can attend to a family crisis. His manager is at a conference several miles away. Before SigniFlow, getting approval of this nature would take days, several emails and phone calls, as well as a lot of frustration. We are going to first show you how easy it is for the applicant to get approvals, and then we will take a look at how the form was built. The applicant fills out the required details, in this case, his name, department, type of leave, and the dates he needs to be absent from work. Using the Forms Builder, these forms are fully customizable to any process, which we will cover later in this demo. Upon submitting the form, the user is directed to Doc Prepper, where the document is prepared before it is sent out. He includes himself and his manager as signers in the workflow. He adds relevant signature fields for both himself and his manager. He provides a custom message to inform his manager about the circumstances regarding his application. For sign-off and approval, he releases the document. As the first signer, he immediately opens the document and signs it. His manager, attending a conference, receives a notification on his mobile device and signs it off. The applicant has been informed that his application was successful and that the crises have been averted. The system maintains an activity log and a comprehensive audit trail for each transaction, ensuring proper internal auditing. Whether you're submitting a leave request, a travel application, a CapEx expenditure proposal, or any type of claim, SigniFlow Forms help you save time and streamline the process. Let's have a quick look at just how easy it is to build these forms. Navigate to the left menu bar, open Forms, then select Form Manager. Navigate to the right side of the screen and select the Edit option. On the top of the page, you can give the form a name and choose who has access. You can also choose whether the form needs to be a cover page. If set to Yes, the form can be used as an internal approval form for an uploaded contract. As it is set to be a cover page, external parties, like customers, won't see the form. They will only see the contract. The internal approver will see the form and will be able to fill it in and approve or decline the contract before it reaches outside parties. To use the Forms Builder, you need no coding or technical experience. It is as easy as dragging the form fields from the right and configuring them in the form. You can drag your logo, checkbox groups, date fields, file uploads, header number fields, radio group, drop-down selectors, text fields, and text areas onto the form. As an example, let's quickly add a text area to this form. Simply drag it onto the form. Click on the editing pen icon and configure the options you want to see in the form. You are able to move the boxes to where you would like them. SigniFlow Forms are easy to use, intuitive, and proven to save time. It enhances compliance for internal audits and assists users in following a set process. For more information on forms, visit signiflow.com. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.